Hello everybody and welcome to this very short video. I'm going to show you how to install and connect your random word generator action automation for workflows inside your sub account and execute actions. This is actually one of our workflow apps that's going to help you automate actions directly from your workflow. So how do we set it up? Inside your sub account, you go at app marketplace, you search for the app, random wood, you go at install, allow install. You're required to provide your email address, right? You just type you're going to continue, you select the plan, you confirm. As you notice, I don't confirm because we're going to be charged, but that's pretty much it, guys. Once you confirm, you go on complete installation and you have uninstall, which means that the tool is already connected to your server account, and now you guys are able to execute actions inside your workflow. So if you ever have any question, guys, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team also available for you guys 24/7 to answer to your questions. Thank you for watching.